I love an air fryer. I've had two of them over the course of 9 years, and I use them consistently 4 or 5 times every week. What I don't love is the cleaning. I used this product, Totally Awesome Cleaner, to get some mold buildup off of my white car, and it works like a charm. I also tried it on a piece of white crockery bakeware that has baked on buildup on the outside that I could not get off. And it worked to remove that as well. So I thought I would try it on the air fryer, and it works. So what I'm showing you is the silver part because that's what you can see on camera. The dark area, obviously, you wouldn't be able to see as well. So I've already done one treatment to start breaking down that baked on grease. So here on the second application of it, and it's just 10 minutes or so between applications, you can see how much is still coming off. And by the fourth time, it was completely clean. So I also did it to the upper rim around the top of the basket. And with that, I cut a paper towel in half, one of the types that is a select a size sheet. That's the one I cut in half. And I just spray it on, and I used a different spray bottle because the one that comes with this cleaner is, in my opinion, terrible. But, you know, it's $1, so it's not a big deal. It's the product inside that counts. And the moisture of it will bind it to the side, and just let that sit for a short time and start wiping it away. And depending on how bad yours is, you may have to do it 2 or 3 times. And of course you want to clean this out very well. This is not a food cleaner. This is not natural. I'm not going to say it is, but it gets the job done to use periodically. Yep, and that's how I get a deep clean on my air fryer basket.